Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Today there was a court case hearing in the Supreme Court regarding the rank discrepancy, the PIL they filed after the result. Okay, so the hearing happened and I'll share you what happened today. Before we start, if you're new here, please do subscribe this channel and you can also contact us for our paid counseling guidance packages. Uh, you can WhatsApp me on this number 9319128677, and you can look at the description of this video to join the Telegram group, WhatsApp group, and all other related things. You can visit our website needmentor.co.in. Okay, so today hearing happened, and good thing is that they accepted the PIL first of all. Okay, because from last few years we have been seeing that every year multiple times the Supreme Court will deal with this matter of NEET PG, whether it's regarding any issue or regarding any rule thing issue or regarding postponement, regarding cutoff revision and all such matters. So the Supreme Court said that you came at like last minute. Okay, so they have kept the next hearing on Friday. From the petitioner's advocate, it was mentioned that on Friday, coming Friday, the counseling is going to start. Officially, there is no notion of the counseling going to start from 20th of September. But since the PDF got leaked out or it's floating around and it says that 20th is the start date of registration, same thing is mentioned by the advocates. Okay, and the Supreme Court judges must have asked like, how did you know that counseling is going to start from Friday? Okay, so the Supreme Court has asked NB to put their comments on it, and the hearing will happen on 20th of September. Okay, now pertaining to this court case, whether the counseling will get delayed further. Right now, we don't have any official notice when the counseling going to start, except that PWD certificate generation from the designated hospitals. So, if we consider 20 the start date of the registration for All India Counseling, will it get delayed further? Because the next hearing is on 20th of September. If Supreme Court says something to be produced from NB side, and till then they pause the progress of the counseling if it is starting on 20th. So if you ask me, it looks like not very positive that the counseling will delay, because judges didn't even talk about the counseling process and all, when it's going whether it will be delayed or something. They just asked to they just kept a new date. Okay, so we have to consider like how powerful this case will be and what next action the judges will take. What, because the candidates are asking to release the question paper and the answer key so that it will be transparent, because they are doubting the answers. Okay, and depending on that only, the candidate who were expecting good score, expecting good rank, they didn't got the rank as per their expectation. So that's the question, and discrepancies in the rank and all. So in order to figure out and make it transparent, the demand is to release the answer key and the question paper, which might be very difficult task for NB. Okay, and we will able to know that. So you can consider there is no announcement publicly about the counseling start date. So how we can say that it will it delayed or something? If it's real that the counseling is starting on 20th, okay, then soon they have to release the brochure, and with the brochure they will release the prospectus. Okay, it is also possible, considering this court case, it is also possible that by 20th the schedule is not released at all, because it's a leaked document. They can also change the dates considering the current scenario. Okay, because if it's a leaked document, the time when they prepared this document, there was no notion of the Supreme Court PIL. Okay, now it has come to the court, and the hearing happened first time, and the dates are given. So they might change the schedule, and they can publish it later. So these all things will happen. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can gear up with the counseling readiness. You can collect your documents, which are the mandatory documents. You need to keep it with you, and you can finalize on your counseling approach process. And if you need our help, you can definitely subscribe to our paid counseling packages, so that when we have time and you have time, and we can sort it out before the counseling starts. Today, Pondicherry released its registration process, and they released brochure. They have already released the tuition fee. Okay, so Pondicherry is open state. You can do the registration by 25th, 21st of September is the last date of registration, and there are three private medical colleges: PIMS, Manakula, and Sri Venkateshwara. Okay, there are hidden fees. The stipend is very low, and if we talk about the college performance departments, so except PIMS, other two colleges are not that recommendable. So that's why. But if you are expecting seat in the low score, this is a good option to go for Pondicherry State Counseling. Okay, so that's all as an update. Pondicherry started registration. Tamil Nadu had already started registration. 15th is the last date for Tamil Nadu. 21st is the last date for Pondicherry. And All India schedule is not yet out publicly. This matter will be considered again on next Friday by Supreme Court, and then we will see like what happens, because this process will all hope on next Friday we will have some clarity, because else if they are taking so much interest and trying to get the documents, transparency from NB side, then the matter will get delayed, and further the counseling will also get delayed. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for watching.